We are going to review the contents of document create new Java project. So everything we need to create a new Java project is documented in this file. Let's review the steps to actually create our Java projects, our packages, and classes using the Eclipse editor. If you're already familiar with the Eclipse editor, then this will be a review. So now that we have Eclipse running, for most of the exercises, if not all of them, we want to be in the Java perspective, which is this button that's up here. It says Java. This will give us all of the menus that we need. To create a new project, we are going to click the File menu and New and Java Project. Our Java Project dialog will open. For now, I'll just put a placeholder name here, but you'll be given the name or a suggestion for the name. And we'll click Finish. That'll create the project over here in the Package Explorer. What we want to do is expand the new project, and we'll see the SRC folder. So now let's create the package. So our package is really our organizational entity. It does other things, but the container, it's an organizer. We'll select the SRC folder, then right-click and say New Package. And we're going to create the package with a lowercase, all lowercase. So we'll put here place folder. Make sure the create package info.java, make sure this checkbox is cleared, unchecked, and then click finish. And as you can see here, we have our new package. Now we're going to create the new class. So we'll be given all of these names again for all of these suggestions. Let's select our package because this is locating where our class is going to go. Let's right click on the package and say new class. And again, we'll give it the name. This will be mixed case. And again, you'll be given a suggested name. And then where this checkbox here, public static void main string args, we want to check that. And then click the finish button. And this will now give us our class file. We can see here our class file.java will open here in the editor window. We'll see the package up here at the very top indicating its organization. We'll see the class header here. And it's giving us, just giving us the stub. Notice it says stub right here for our main method, which is good. And it'll save us from entering that. After this, we'll enter the code for our exercise. So this will be the same pattern for most of our exercises. And if that's not the case, we'll let you know.